Hello, good evening.
Evening, Victor.
Okay, so how are you today, Tyler?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So, how's the weather in Vietnam?
The weather in Vietnam is recently a little bit crazy. Some day very hot, or some days some day heavy rain. So we have cannot predict. It's in a unpredictable.
I see, I see. It's predictable, right? So sometimes it will rain and sometimes it's a little bit hot, right?
Yeah, you're right.
I see. So now here in my place, it's raining, so that's why it's not that hot. Okay.
Oh,
Yes.
I see.
So how about you? Are you then eating your dinner?
Yeah, already. How are you?
I'm also done. Thank you for asking. So did you go to your workplace?
Yeah.
Okay. So by the way, did you go what time did you go to your workplace? And what time did you go back to your house?
As normally, I leave my home as I leave my home at 8:13, and I was back at 3:13.
I see. So yesterday is Sunday. So what did you do?
Just clean my house, please.
I see. So you just
Do homework. Yeah.
I see. Because as usual, we cannot be able to go outside, right? Because of COVID-19, right? Okay. So now let's move
Yeah.
on with toxic travel, right? Lesson 10. So, what about okay, so I asked you last Friday that if we're going to give you a chance, you want to visit Germany. Is it Germany?
No, it's Switzerland.
Yeah.
Switzerland.
So I'm sorry. Yeah, okay, so you want to travel in Switzerland, okay? So now, let us have here. Okay, so we are done with that part. That one. And we are now here on that part, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now, let us continue answering this one. Okay, not enough leg. Your answer here is this one, food and drink, right?
Yeah.
Uh huh.
Food. Food in number four.
Yeah, it's food in number four. What else?
Uh, Number five is no bags strollers available. Keys and no bags is available. No bags is stroller is makes sense. The number five is stroller.
Okay, trolleys, right?
Yeah, yeah, trolleys.
Okay, hold on. Okay, what about the other one?
Another one is the number seven is flies delay and cancellation.
Mm-hmm. What about the next one?
Time delay. Number six is overbooking of seats or China. And number six is overbooking of seat.
Okay, overbooking of seats. What about the next one?
Next one is tiredness and what luck. No choice. Number nine is delay for security check.
Mm-hmm. Security.
Yeah, security check.
Okay, oversized hand luggage
You
in the.
still one, two, three. Oversize and hand like this. And in case what? Oh, this one. Oversize hand like this in the cabin.
Okay, oversized hand luggage in cabin.
In the cabin.
Okay, what's the next?
We have one, two, three, four, one
Mm-hmm.
dollars. The number three is long
Q.
like this. Check in.
Long luggage.
No, it's not make sense. It's a
Mm-hmm.
long keys. Long keys.
It's
Q.
Q, not keys. Okay, Q's.
Yeah, queues.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, queue.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
long queues.
Uh-huh.
Queues.
Mm-hmm. Number 8 is so easy.
Number eight.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can. It is jet lag.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm alive already. So we still one like this. Lost. Oh, number two is lost. Or delay like this.
Luggage.
Yeah, like it.
And the
And the
last
rest one is
is
room.
okay. Okay, that's
Yeah.
good.
Not like
Yeah.
room. Yeah.
Okay. So you know what? Very good. It seems like that you think it very well before answering, and that's good. And I can see that you answer all of that correctly. Okay. So not enough leg room, lost or delayed luggage, long queues at check-in. It meant to say that there are a lot of line or people in checking in. Okay. So poor quality of food and drink, no baggage stalls available. Okay. Booking of seats, flight details and cancellation, tiredness and jet lag, delay for security check, oversized hand luggage in the cabin. Okay, that's good. So now let us have here. So by the way, do you have any question?
No, I don't.
Okay. Harley, punta ka kay Aliyah. Close the door, okay? Okay, it's my it's my niece. I am informing her that she needs to close the door. Okay, so now let us have here the next one. Okay, so we have here the vocabulary check, okay? So we have here the first one. Okay, let us have here. Okay, this one is also the one that we answered a while ago, okay? So let us proceed with this one. Okay, dude, so discussion.
Yeah.
Travel, pros and cons. Air. We have here travel by air,
Yeah.
travel by rail. Okay, so how about you, Tyler? Have you experienced traveling by air or by an airplane?
Yeah,
Okay.
we just only travel by air for sometimes for business or sometimes for a chance that we come back
Mm-hmm.
the hometowns.
Mm-hmm. I see.
Yeah,
So what about, have you experienced to travel by rail?
yeah. I have one time I remember is a long time ago already. I come back my hometown by the rains.
Mm-hmm. I see, I see. Okay. Let us have here, of course, by road every day, almost every day, right?
Yeah,
How about sea?
yes. Yeah, the sea I also have experience with this since we have some trips to the Iceland hours. Yeah.
I see. And of course, you are also already familiar with the pros. It means to say the advantage, and cons is the advantages, right? So now, what can you say? Do you have any idea, of when you travel by air, what is the advantages of that?
The advantage is that you can check your time
Uh-huh. Tyler, hold
and it's
on.
see
My
the
lap
fast.
my laptop is getting
Yeah.
lower. Okay, I need to charge. Sorry. Okay, it's okay
Okay.
then. Okay, so again, by air.
For, yeah, for me by air is is the 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 fast way, and so we can save the time.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what is about the disadvantage of traveling by air?
This
Is there any?
disadvantage
Mm-hmm.
if you, yeah, it's a little bit expensive,
Mm.
and if you travel that you can and I think a little bit for me a little bit dangerous, you know.
I see. So what about you if you're going
Nervous, we feel nervous, yeah.
what about you if you're going to ask, what is the safest travel? Is it by air, rail, road, or sea?
In Vietnam, I think is the rail is the most safe
Ah, yeah, I
ways.
see, I see. And what is the dangerous one?
Dangerous one is on the roads.
I see, because you can never tell, right? Especially at the road, you can
Yeah,
be able to a lot of cars, right? There are a lot of cars, so you can never tell. I
yeah.
see. Okay. So now, what about in traveling by rail? What is the pros?
The pros is the way that we can travel cheaper, and you can spend your time on the rail to
Mm-hmm.
see the landscapes, to experience through the place that you goes through.
Mm-hmm. I see. Okay. And what do you think is the disadvantage or the cons?
The con is it take it took you a long time, so
Mm-hmm.
you have to spend a long time on the rails.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's true. Okay. So what about the next one, which is road? The advantage.
The roads advantage is if you travel by roads, you can stop by there the the play that used like this and to be visit anywhere that you want, and you can take picture and you can you can stop by anywhere that you want,
Mm-hmm. So you mean to say that your
and
time,
convenient. Yeah.
yeah, your time is, and it is very convenient also, right? Okay. So what
Yes.
about the cons?
The con at which talk is a little bit dangerous,
Mm-hmm.
and is a took more time if compared with the airways.
I see. And also sometimes you will encounter traffic jam, right?
Yeah,
Yes, yes. Okay. So what about C?
the seas had its balance on the sea. You can feel the sea atmosphere.
So do you think that in C you will also have fastest way or no?
No, it's
Mm-hmm.
not. It's the sea. They also have two way. It's the normal and it's fast. So for me, for the sea way, it not save time. It's just for you to relax and
Mm-hmm.
for travel only.
Mm-hmm. So yes, also it will take for how many days before you arrive in a particular area, right? And you know what? I
Yes.
am afraid, me, if I'm going to ask, I am afraid traveling by sea because I don't know how to swim. How about you? You know how to
Oh,
swim,
really?
right?
Yeah, I know swim, but swim in the sea, no, simple. Oh my God.
I see, I see. Okay, okay. So now let us have here the next one. Oh, okay. Let us have here the next one. So we have here. Okay, the wrap up. Okay. Oh, it seems like that we are done with lesson 10. Okay. So of course we learn
Yeah.
about priorities when traveling, the pros and cons when traveling in air, sea, road. Okay. So I will just be opening
Yeah.
lesson 11. Okay. Hold on. Okay. So now let us have here lesson 11. Okay, so we have here British and American English. Okay, so let's just have a review first. Of course, we just finished studying lesson 10, and it's all about the priorities when traveling and pros and cons of different types of travel. So, what are those? So what are the four types of travel? The first one is travel
By yes,
by
by air,
the next one.
by rails,
Uh-huh, the next one.
by roads,
Okay, the last one.
by
Okay,
sea.
very good. Okay. So now let us have here. Okay. Are you familiar with him? Do you know him?
No,
So
no.
let us know what is that, what is the connection of that guy with our lesson for tonight, okay? So now we have here first a review. Okay, the vocabulary. Okay, it has something to do with also with lesson 10, right? Okay, so let us have here the
Yes.
letter A. Can you please read letter A?
Q.
Okay, what is Q? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6?
Two.
Are you sure? It's number 2? Q. Along. We already discussed that a while ago, right? In the check-in. There's a long queue in the check-in.
The
What does it
queues.
mean? A long line of...
Yeah, the number 6, yeah.
Okay. What about letter B? Carry... Can you please read?
Carry on bags.
Okay, so what letter is that?
Number 4.
Okay, the next one.
The next one is return.
Mm-hmm. What number is that?
Number 2.
Okay, what about
Yeah, number 2.
freeway? Oh, can you please read?
Yeah, freeway.
Uh-huh.
Number 3.
Yes. What about the next one?
The next one is restroom.
Mm-hmm.
Number 5.
Okay, that's good. So what about the last one?
Ground floor.
Mm-hmm. And it's number...
Number 1.
Okay, that's good. So you don't have any question on that part, right? So let us proceed
Yes.
with the next page. So we have here again the vocabulary. Okay, so can you please read letter G?
G, subway.
Yeah, okay. So and what number is that?
Number 7.
Okay. What about the next one?
Elevator.
Mm-hmm.
Number 9.
Okay, what about the next one?
Number 9. Cars. Class. Number 10.
Okay, coach, class, and letter J.
Yeah. Reservation. Number 8.
Okay, from the word itself, reserve, right? Okay, that's good. So now let us have
Yeah,
here
reserve.
the next page. Okay, so we have here the vocabulary, okay? So as you can see, we have here a sample word. Okay, so you're going to match numbers into the letters. So as you can see, number 1, subway, it meant to say that the underground. So now, we're going to answer all of that
Yeah.
one. Let us have here number 2. Can you please read?
City center.
Okay. So you're going to choose.
K. Letter K. Downtown.
Okay. What about number 3?
Carry on bag.
Baggage.
Easy hand luggage.
What letter?
Letter N. Letter N.
Okay. The next one.
One way. One way. Letter A. Like. Oh, one way. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go ahead with letter A.
Okay, it's letter A.
Number 5. Number 5, return. Number 5 is return.
Mm-hmm.
Letter Ace.
Return is
Letter Ace. View.
okay.
Freeway. Freeways, motorway. Number 6 is freeway.
Okay. Freeway is what letter?
Letter L. Letter L.
Motorway.
Letter L. Yeah, motorway.
Okay, what about number 7?
Number 7 is red room. This is public toilets.
Okay, it's letter C.
Letter C.
Number 8.
Elevator. Letter B. Lift.
Mm-hmm.
Cost. Cost class. Economy class.
Okay,
Letter
that's
E.
good. Okay, what about number 10?
Timetable. Letter D. Schedule.
Okay, what about number 11?
Number 11 is car park. It's a parking lot. That's O.
Okay, what about number 12?
Number 12 is Q. Q is letter A is line.
But then your answer in one way is line also.
Yeah, I know this. I will change this to
Okay.
letter F.
Okay. Okay, hold on. I will just change it. So your number for one way is single, right?
Yes.
Okay, what about number 13?
Number 13 is check.
Uh-huh.
Check is check. Already check. Booking. Reservation. Lower first floor. Check. Still have the round trip.
Okay, so Tyler,
Oh.
we are running out of time and I do have my next class. We're going to continue this tomorrow, okay? Okay, so the check, reservation,
Yes,
and
sure.
ground floor. Okay, your answer is already saved, so we're going to continue that tomorrow, okay? So that would be all for tonight, Tyler. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Yeah, see. Yeah, have a good
Yeah, see you
night. See you
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Yeah, bye-bye.